It's Kimmo from Superlines. Superlines represents the cutting edge way how companies can already today start using autonomous AI agents to improve their digital marketing. So here we can see on the right side how our AI agents execute really heavy and time-consuming tasks for our clients. What our clients get, well, instead of spending time in doing that work themselves, they get direct access to actionable recommendations and insights how to improve their marketing. It's easy to use. Our clients, they tell Superlines what's their growth strategy, what is their target market, who are their competitors, and most importantly, what is their marketing objective. Every time our AI agents execute tasks, they read this data in order to improve those results. We have integrations. You can integrate Superlines with Slack or Teams if you want to get those recommendations and insights directly where your marketing teams is naturally working. Then you can plug in Google Ads and your analytics tools, and Superlines will use all that data to understand the big picture and create really concrete insights, strategies, and recommendations for you. The agents, they work automatically, independently, but also you can ask direct questions from the Superlines AI. So instead of actually trying to again dig and find out the priorities from all these analytics tools, you can just ask the questions from our chat and it will connect to all the analytics tools and paid ads tools and external data and give you a direct access to these insights. So everybody working in digital marketing should be using Superlines because it is the easiest and most effective way to start using AI in digital marketing.